Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create subpages in Wix Studio. So first, you may want to head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, head over to your Wix editor page at editor.wix.com. Now from your editor page in the left panel, click on the Pages and Menu icon. Now currently here you will see all your pages and menu on your website. To create subpages, first of course you have to have that existing page. Now say for example we want FAQ page to be a subpage of home. All you have to do is drag this page and drag it below home until you see this line pointing from home to the FAQ page. That means that this page has now become the subpage of this specific page. You can also create a new page by clicking on the Add Page link. So let's try it in a blank page. So now we currently added a new page and we're just going to click on it. And as you can see, this new page that we created has also become a subpage of home. And to undo this, you can just drag it back to position until it becomes a page again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!